Right up out on the spinnaker pole at the moment. It's pretty exposed. I think if I fell off here, I'd fall quite hard into the mast. But it's worth it. There's beautiful views and see everything going on down there, and it's a really spectacular sight looking up from a bird's eye view onto Blizzard.
We've just crossed 40 degrees west. I think that means we're about a quarter of the way from Punta Arenas to the Kerguelen Islands, which is quite good news. But the scary thing is it's taken 10 days and it's looking like we might not get to Sydney until about a week or so into May. Just trying to cook up a meal on the boat, and it's always fun, especially when it's waves and wind. You end up getting chucked around the galley. A few times I've ended up on top of the stove or just sliding across the floor whilst trying to chop up some meat. So it makes for an interesting ride, and hopefully the meals don't suffer too much because of it.